Here is my composite modded Atari 2600 Junior. This is a PAL version. I know there's different motherboard variants, and this appears to be the only one with the same modulator layout as that I could find on the internet when I was looking up instructions for doing the mod. As you can see, this is the removed modulator that used to go sort of here, which was joined by a piece of coaxial and a plug onto the RCA socket at the top, which would have been the RF output originally. I've recapped the board. I've replaced 4 small capacitors, 0.47 UF and the big capacitor that's been replaced as well. This is the old one, so that's been done. I've also put a switching regulator in place of the in place of the linear one that was in there before, the ones that get hot. So that's eliminated the use for the sort of bolting it down to the heat shield. I've put a bright white LED to shine through the case for the power on off, because I like blue LEDs, but the case has actually got a red window, so I thought it'd be brighter than show up brighter on the on off than the red LED that was factory fitted. And the chip at the top there, just done a little bit of heat sinking. That was the only one that seemed to get slightly warm. Probably unnecessary, but I did it anyway. Here's the kit that I bought off eBay, which is the AV Mod kit. And the video, there's one resistor removal. As you can see, it's R56 gets removed, and also the transistor above it. So that's been removed, and then it's the plus 5 volts that comes off that. That's the red cable that you see. And at the top of where you remove the resistor, that's the video output, and then there's a connection point here next to what I believe is the Stellar chip, and that's where the audio comes from. The only thing that I've done different, the main thing that I've done different from the online mods that I've seen some different variants, is I've actually utilised the old RF output RCA jack, because I thought it's there, it's solid, saves drilling another unnecessary hole. So that's obviously the video. That's become my the video of the AV. And what I'm going to do is, I haven't drilled it yet, but on the bottom of the case, of the plastic case, I'm going to drill just to the right of it. I'm going to just drill a somewhat modest hole there carefully, and attach the audio RCA that's included in the kit. That's it really. That's all done. I've just tested it and the video works, so I'm happy with that. I bought this Atari Junior for £10 off eBay. It was sold as spares because the seller apparently couldn't tune it up, so it was a gamble, but it was only a tenner, so it gave me a little project to do, and I had a good feeling it would work. So I've cleaned up the motherboard, recapped it first, and then tried the mod, and I'm getting the video, nice strong video signal, so I'm guessing the audio will be okay. So there we have it. Cheers. I hope this helps inspire somebody, particularly for utilising this RCA here, which is it's well worth doing rather than drilling 2 holes on another thing it means is the connectors are going to be on the back connections panel rather than on the side, which I wasn't too overly keen on. So, but I know people have done it and had great results. So, right, cheers from Steve. Take care.